Hello students, in this video we are going to solve these two problems. Find roots of following quadratic equations. We are going to find the roots of these two quadratic equations if they exist using quadratic formula. Okay. See, in one of our videos we have studied that there are three different types of roots, right? Like for quadratic equations there are three different types of roots. First one is if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. This is discriminant, right? B square minus 4ac is greater than 0. We will have two different roots. Okay. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, we will have two same roots. Okay. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that means if we get a negative value here, no real roots exist. That means root will be imaginary. Okay. This is the concept of nature of roots. So first we will find b square minus 4ac. Okay. Whether that is greater than 0 or equal to 0 or less than 0. If it is less than 0, the roots will not exist. The real roots will not exist. So we will stop the problem there. Okay. If it is greater than 0, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we will go ahead and find the two different roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, we'll go ahead and find two same roots. But if it is less than 0, we'll stop it there. Okay. So this is going to be our approach. So first we need to compare this with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now what is the value of a? A is equal to 1, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 5. Okay. We need to find discriminant. What is discriminant? B square minus 4ac. So let us find this. So this is equal to how much? 4 square, because b is equal to 4. So 4ac is equal to how much? 4 square is 16 minus 4 ones are 4, 4 5s is 20. So we got minus 4. So this b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 4, which is less than 0. Okay. So if it is less than 0, see, no real roots exist, right? Alright, no real roots exists. Okay. See, what is quadratic formula? Minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Right, this is the quadratic formula. If you substitute these values, what is b? See, minus 4 plus minus root b square minus 4ac, we got minus 4. Okay, divided by 2 into 1. See, if you have negative values inside the roots, we cannot find those values. Okay, we cannot find this value if we have negative numbers inside the root. Okay, no real roots will exist. So we need to stop it here. Stop it here. Okay, I hope you understood this. Now let us go to this problem. So in this, no real roots exist, right? Now let us compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is the value of a? It is 2. What is the value of b? Minus 2 root 2. X is x. Whatever is left, that is b value, right? So c is equal to plus 1 or 1. Okay, let us find b square minus 4ac. Discriminant first. Okay. So which is equal to how much? B square minus 4ac minus 2 root 2 whole square minus 4 into a is 2 into c is equal to 1. So how much is this? Minus 2 root 2 whole square. So this is minus 2 root 2 whole square, means minus 2 root 2 should be multiplied twice, right? Minus into minus plus, 2 2s is 4. Root 2 into root 2 is root 4. So root 4 is equal to 2. So this will give us 8. So this is 8 minus 4 2s are 8. 8 1s is 8. Okay. So we got 0. That means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Alright. So if it is equal to 0, the equation will have two equal or two same roots, right? Alright, let us go ahead and find those roots. So this is our quadratic formula, minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, right? Okay, cats are screaming. Alright, so dogs are barking. So x is equal to how much? Minus b. So what is the value of b? Minus, this is minus 2 root 2 plus minus, see here, I need not find this value again because we already got that as 0 divided by 2 into a. A is how much? It is equal to 2. So this is equal to, see, this part, whole part will become 0, right? So I'm going to rub that, no need of writing that. So we have minus into minus plus, so 2 root 2 divided by 2 into 2. I can cancel this, right? So root 2 divided by 2 r is 1 0. The other 0 is also root 2 divided by 2. Okay, so root 2 divided by 2. You can rationalize that and write that as, see, root 2 by 2 multiplied by root 2, okay, divided by root 2. So this will be root 2 into root 2 is 2 divided by 2 root 2. 2 will get cancelled, 1 by root 2. So you can write this as 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. So these are the two roots of this quadratic equation. Okay, I hope you understood this problem. Thank you so much for watching the video.